currently working on this 2010 Prius, and we're replacing the turn signals now in the rear. And as you can see, we got our T-Series 7440s in the driver's side, and we got the stock halogen on the passenger. So we just want to show you a quick demonstration of how it looks, and then we're going to show you how to install it. All right, guys. So this is very simple, very quick. We got our T-Series in amber for the turn signals. These are the 7440s. And then we got the L7443s in white. So this is gonna be for reverse lights, okay? The backups. And to replace both of them is very simple. You just remove this panel right here. It comes off like that, very easy. And both your bulbs are gonna be right here, okay? But you should be able to see them as soon as you pop in here, okay? There's gonna be two of them. They're just twist off. That's your first one. And then right below this one is your backup. Okay, just like that. It does take a little bit of play to get it out because it is a very tight fit in there. But once you get it out, the clear one is your backup and the amber is your turn signal. So I would start with one at a time. So we'll take out the amber first. Get your new T-Series bulb. Install it. These are polarity sensitive, so you got to put it correctly or else it won't light up. So we'll test it out right now, see if we got it correct. And as you can see, it's not lighting up, but the other one is. So all you got to do is simply remove, flip it over, reconnect it, and there you have it. That one's done, okay? So now that we got this figured out, we know that's working correctly, just reinstall it. It has a specific way it has to go in, so don't force it in. It should go in and click, very simple. Now the backup light, we're gonna remove that. Put that to the side. These bulbs are non-polarity, so these ones can go any way and they'll work fine. So we'll just install this now. There you have it, just like that, it's installed. Put your cover back on. Just like that, and test the final bulb, which is the backup, so you make sure everything's working fine. So there you have it, guys. We got this completed. They're installed, everything's working. We got those turn signals activated. If we can do that one more time. Those are the hazards, and then individually, just the turn signals. There we go, no hyper flash. Can you do the other side? And we got the backups on at the same time as well. As you can see, they're the ones in the bottom, they're white. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, feel free to let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. And thank you for watching.